Alright guys, and welcome back to Hector's Road Reviews. Today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new leaf blower. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for you. Let's go and actually check it out. User manual. Oh, it's right here. Damn. Sweet. Okay. These are the attachments right here. Should just snap on. Go. And whenever you want to let it go, just unhook it right here. And we're gonna go ahead and put this one as well. Line this up. Oh, ready to go. This one does use the Makita battery. So let's go ahead and actually test it out. Alright, so like I said, we got the attachment. We got our Makita battery. You'll have to have one of these. There we go. Just slides right in. And then I just wanted to point out right here, you do have 5 settings. As you can see, it's on setting 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you got it at max. So we'll try it out at 1. Got some leaves here. See if we can run them up a little bit closer over there. Let's crank it up a bit. I'll put it at max. Heck yeah. So, works very well, as you can see. Got everything just about cleared out, but very, very strong. So like I said, that one was on max. We'll put it on 3. Let's try it out over here. So we just got a little bit there. I'm gonna just see if I can compress it here. That's how it's done. Now it's way more condensed right over there. So not a whole lot of dirt here, but we'll go ahead and actually just try to get the ones around it. Heck yeah. So as you can see, you can use this for a whole bunch of different scenarios. All you gotta do is have your Makita battery and you're good to go. Like I said, I like it on max specifically for these, just because they're a little bit harder to shove, but the leaves, we could have kept it at 30 and it would have been fine. But if you guys are looking for a new leaf blower, definitely consider this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can get yours. Highly recommend.